It's nighttime now here in Kentucky. What you're seeing in the front of my bike, all that brightness, that I have the stock headlight, which is an LED headlight, but I have the Eagle Lights combination driving light turn signals. They're super bright LED lights. When you turn on the turn signal, they're equally as bright turn signals. You see how dark it is behind the bike, and look toward the front. You can see how bright everything is in front of me when I'm riding. When you turn on the turn signals, the driving light doesn't go off, it just alternates between the driving light and the turn signal. I don't even think that this video even conveys the actual brightness. Let me see if I can get a better angle here. On the back, I have the SigZ turn signals. They are equally as super amazing bright. And I suppose that's the whole reason you buy these, so people will notice. And yes, that is a glove over my license plate. If you have any doubt as to whether the LED turn signals make a difference, man, do they really make a difference. One more view of the Eagle Light combination turn signal driving lights on the front and the SigZ LED turn signals on the back. Now, I didn't purposely buy two different brands because I thought either one was better than the other. I bought the Eagle Lights while I was deployed. I ordered them online and they were here when I got home. And then I bought the SigZs. Have a great night and be safe out there on the road.